Just looking round, I don't know if it's just professional bodger luck, which it must be. I've obviously bought this fuel pump sort of blocker thing or whatever, and typically, if you look down there, some bugger's already done it. So here's me to burning more money. Love it. Well, at least it's a job I don't have to do now, so pain in the butt. So another success stories, Mr. Blowtorch, although nearly killing me twice. I should have filmed it because it was not fun.
This man was truly on fire. He broke the Guinness World Record for the fastest full body burn without oxygen.
Ended up really belting my knee, trying to like jump out of the way of massive flamethrowers, but the main thing is that's come off, baby. Woo! So I do the same on the other side, try not to die on that one too. Try and slip on new boots over here, ka-dunk. Stretch that bit over this bit, and then fasten them up there with a bit of a zip tie. I'll probably fill these with grease. I'm not sure if I'm meant to, but I mean, it can never do it any harm, right? Whack it in there, and then, yeah, we can actually at least adjust the steering wheel so it'll be straight. Still got on this nightmare of a side though, to try and get this bolt off, which refuses. Blowtorch refuses. Nothing wants to undo. As you can see, the rubber now has come out of there as well, so this has to be changed. So I still think I'm going to buy a new knuckle if I can get one, because it'll save a lot of hassle. This is all, I mean, look at that inside there. You might be able to pack it with grease and stuff, but it's pretty buggered, isn't it? So yeah, try and get the whole thing in one go, I think. Success story on this side as well. I mean, I just touched that like an actual idiot after blowtorching the hell out of it, but as you can see, it now opens. Whoop! On this side we've got the boot off, and then what we're going to do now is get the Mr. Grease. You know, anything will do as long as it is a multi-purpose of some kind or bearing grease. And we're going to slap it all in there, and then we're going to try and get this boot over there. So let's try and get in here and slather some lovely grease in here. Oh, I'm getting it everywhere. It's not quite the neatest, is it? Listen to it. No one likes that. Let's try and get in. We'll stick a bunch inside here, mainly to get it off my fingers. Bow, jigger, wah, wah. And stop doing that. Okay, let's try and shove them over there. So I'm going to try and get this over the end of that bolt there, see? See the problem? Yeah. I wonder if there's a particular way. I'm going to try and just like wedge screwdrivers in there and like pry it across, so you're not really going to see it probably, but whatever you do. For Lord of Christ. If this wasn't greasy right now, I could do it. Come on. Come on. Here we go. I hope you can see this, because this is a masterpiece of work and skill. Oh yeah, look at that. Who doubted me? Me, that's who. Anyway, that's how you do it. A lot of kicking your own ass and God knows what. Alright, professional bodger's dodgy way of doing it was to add a little slit in the back so I could fasten it over. Obviously, yeah, long term might not last forever, but it'll do. Hits on. And they're going to put these crappy little metal zip ties, which are like the worst design in the world. I don't even know if I might just use normal zip ties. A lot of kits just sell them with normal zip ties as well. But I might get a normal zip tie in there, it's a lot easier to pull than this thing. These things tend to be a bloody nightmare. Yeah, normal zip tie in there, tighten it up, and then same on this side. And then yeah, new track red end on there, and happy ho, this side's done. Same on the other side, and we'll have steering again. And there we go, let's finish it up. Track red end is in. And the everything's all zip tied into place. Boot wise, obviously one of the problems I'm going to have with this is how to tighten this in place without it moving, because obviously that nut there isn't going to want to move over again. So what I'm thinking of doing, if there's enough length on it, is to add another bolt in between, so and then tighten it up to this end here on the right, which would make perfect sense and it'll work perfectly well. You just tighten both together, push by push, problem solved. But yeah, we'll come to that when we need to do it, because obviously I've got to do the other side, and then sort of stupid ass bottom ball joint thing still out, and then all the steering will be sorted. We can work on something a bit more interesting